My dear students, today we are going to talk about the triangle. We have studied before the triangle. Let's remember. Note. The sum of measure of interior angles of a triangle is what? It will be 180 degree. Okay. Number 2. If we have here a triangle ABC and he give me here an exterior angle which is ACD. What is the meaning of exterior angle? Exterior angle, it will be formed from the extent of one side of a triangle and the other side like that. ACD is an exterior angle. What about its measure? How to find the measure of angle ACD? Let's see the rule here. Say the measure of the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two non-adjacent interior angles. Again, the measure of the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two non-adjacent interior angles. I means to find measure of angle ACD, we must write like that. Since angle ACD is an exterior angle of a triangle ABC, therefore measure of angle ACD equals 60 plus 50 equal 110 degree. I means it will be equal the sum of two interior angles except its adjacent angle, I mean this angle. ACB is called adjacent angle with ACD. So we take the two non-adjacent interior angle 50 and 60 and add them to find measure of angle ACD. But there are, note, the measure of any exterior angle of an equilateral triangle, it will be stable 120 degree. Again, the measure of any exterior angle of an equilateral triangle, it will be equal 120 degree. Why? Because we know the equilateral triangle, each interior angle, it will be 60, 60, 60. So when we wanted to find an exterior angle of an equilateral triangle, it will be equal 60 plus 60 equal 120. Let's see more rules on this lesson. The triangle. Any triangle has at least how many acute angles? Yes, it has at least two acute angles. Any triangle has at least two acute angles. It may be it has three acute angles, but when we say at least, we must say two acute angles. Number 4, if one angle in a triangle equals the sum of two angles, then it is right angle. Again, if we have one angle in a triangle equals the sum of two other angles in the same triangle, it will be is right angle. I means we can say by another way, if measure of angle A equal measure of angle B plus measure of angle C, that it means the measure of angle A equal 90 degree. Number 5, if we have two triangles like that, and there are two angles are equal in two triangles, that means the third angle must be also equal in measure. Again, if the measure of two angles in one triangle equal the measure of the other two angles in other triangle, then the third angles are equal in measure. I mean this angle and this angle. Let's see exercise on this lesson. Exercise. Find the measure of missing angles. Here, he gave me a triangle. This angle equals 35 degree and this angle equals 75 degree, and he asked me to find this an exterior angle. We have studied before to find the measure of an exterior angle equals the sum of two non-adjacent interior angle. It means equal the sum of 35 and 75. Like that, it will be equal 110 degree. Now we have here this side or this ray parallel to this side, and he gave me only this angle 60 degree and this angle equal 40 degree. I want to ask you, this angle is called an exterior angle? Sure, no, because it isn't formed from extent of any side of three sides of a triangle and another side. Because the exterior angle, I told you before, it will be resulted from the extent of one side and the other side, it will be for the exterior angle. But this isn't an exterior angle, but its measure equal 40 degree. He asked me to find this angle. The first, we must note there are two rays are parallel, so we must use them to find measure of this angle. They are two alternate angles, so this angle it must be equal 40 degree. Now we can find the missing angle in this triangle by subtracting their sum 40 and 60 from 180 to find this missing angle, like that. 180 minus 40 degree plus 60 degree equal finally 80 degree. He gave me here in the third shape 70 degrees is an interior angle, and 130 degree this is an exterior angle, and this is missing angle. Now we can make the opposite. Why? Because we know this exterior angle equals the sum of 70 and this missing angle. So how to find the missing one? By subtracting 70 from 130, it will be equal 60 degree. Finally, in the fourth shape, he gave me here exterior angle equal 140, and he gave me these two angles are equal in measure because they have the same sign, but we wanted to find one of them. How? We know 140 here equals their sum, and at the same time they are equal in measure. So to find one of them, we must divide it 140 by 2 to find the measure of each one, like that. It will be equal 140 divided 2 equals 70 degree. Thanks for your listening. Goodbye in the next lesson.